Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn simple sentences using the question word how and conversation with auto or cab driver. Kannada sentence using question words how. Sentence using how, hege. In Kannada, how is nothing but hege. How are you? Hegiddira. So whenever we meet someone, this is the first question we ask. How are you? Hegiddira. How is your son? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಮಗ means son. How is your daughter? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? So here for female ದಾಳೆ and for male ದಾನೆ. So ಮಗ son ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಮಗಳು daughter ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ? The end word will change. How is your mother? ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? This is with respect. We are asking about parents. So, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ is with respect for both male and female. It remains same. How is your father? ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ತಂದೆ is father, ತಾಯಿ is mother. How is your wife? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವರು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? So, in Kannada, we usually say husband or wife, ಮನೆಯವರು. ಮನೆಯವರು means if you meet husband, ಮನೆಯವರು is wife, and for men, ಮನೆಯವರು is for female, ಮನೆಯವರು is husband. Like that we usually talk. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವರು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? So how is your husband? That also ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವರು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ or ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಹೆಂಡತಿ is wife and ಗಂಡ is husband. How is your husband? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವರು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಂಡ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? How was the travel? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? So if they went somewhere and came and you met them on the way, so ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ಪ್ರಯಾಣ meaning trip, travel. How can I tell them? ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿ? So if you want to say something to someone and if you are not able to say that or you have a question how to tell, then we will use this one. ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿ? Okay. How are we going to use that? How is the food? ಊಟ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? So guests comes to your house or in your house only, to anyone if you are planning to ask the food you cooked is how it is, then we use this how is the food. How can I help you? This you can see somewhere like it might be written like how can I help you? How may I help you, like that. So that one, how can ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಲಿ? How can I tell you? ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿ? Something which you are not able to say, then how can I tell you? How much I need to give you? About the money. So how much I need to give you? There also we use how. Then how much you need? ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? How is your health? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಆರೋಗ್ಯ meaning health. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? How is your mother's health? ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? How to go there? So directions if you are asking, how to go there? How to stay there? Like if you go some place and if it is not good or something like that, you say how to stay there, it's not good, like that. Then how far is that? Distance, like if you are asking about some place you are going, how far is that a city from Bangalore, or how far is that place from Bangalore? ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇದೆ? How can they come? ಅವರು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಬಹುದು? If someone are coming, how can they come? Like how is the way to come or something like that. How can we go? How can we go? ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು? How it is made? ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ? How it is made? ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ means how it is made. How can I make? ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? Any cooking or anything, if you are asking recipe or details about that, then how can I make it? Steps how to do. How was the movie? So if you are asking your friend or somebody like how was the movie, or you went or your some friends asking you How is the movie? How was the movie? Movie ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? That is, you already saw that. Or how is the movie? So both ways we can ask. How ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಹೇಗಿದೆ? How is that place? ಆ ಸ್ಥಳ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? How it is grown? ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ? ಬೆಳೆ means like crops or something grown. How they are growing them. This will be useful when you go to organic shop and want to ask how that thing is grown organically. So to grow organically, it's the used farmer need to use cow dung and all. If it is fertilizers are used, then it's not a organic one. So in that situation, you can use this. How to make this snack? ಈ ತಿಂಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಈ ತಿಂಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? Snack is ತಿಂಡಿ. How to go there? ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? Suppose you are asking to go somewhere, how to go there? How to come there? ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು? Means ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? You are talking to the person standing next to you. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು? Suppose you are talking over the phone and then person who is there already and you are asking him how to come over there. So in that situation, how to come there? Then how to use it? ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು? ಬಳಸು means use. How nice? ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ? So this exclamatory one we can use whenever we say some item, to praise some item which is very beautiful or very good. Now we are going to see about how to talk auto driver or taxi driver. So now I am given here about auto driver. Then customer asks, auto, are you coming to Koramangala? So auto Koramangalake bartira. So Koramangalake bartira. Are you coming to Koramangala? Like that. Auto driver, yes madam. Bartini madam. So he will say bartini madam. Bartini madam means I will come. Then auto driver, where in Koramangala madam? So he will ask you which place in Koramangala, like that. ಕೋರಮಂಗಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? So which place you want to go? Then you say ಕೋರಮಂಗಲದಲ್ಲಿ Forum Mall. So I want to go to Forum Mall. ಕೋರಮಂಗಲ Forum Mall. Then auto driver say, okay madam, give 250. ಸರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ 250 ಕೊಡಿ. 250 meaning 250. 250 ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, like that you will ask. Then you say 250, you are asking more. Put a meter, I will give a meter charge. So you ask him to put a meter. 250 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಮೀಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ 250 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್. ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಮೀಟರ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್. 250 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಮೀಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಮೀಟರ್, ಬಂದಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೀಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಶೋಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್. Auto driver, it's correct madam, give 20 more than meter. Now whatever I am asking is correct only ma'am, give 20 rupees more above the meter. Meter ಮೇಲೆ 20 ಕೊಡಿ. So it's called meter ಮೇಲೆ 20 ಕೊಡಿ. So meaning it's correct only, you give 20 rupees extra than meter, like that you will ask. Then the customer or you agree, ಸರಿ ನಡೀರಿ. ಸರಿ ನಡೀರಿ meaning come, we'll go, like that. Auto driver, okay madam, come in. ಬನ್ನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಹತ್ತಿ meaning climb the auto and come. Customer, please go a little fast. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ. So if you are in urgent and he is going very slow, then you can tell him ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ. Please go a little fast. Auto driver, okay madam. Then he will say ಸರಿ madam. Customer, why are you going this way? Agra way is nearby. So he is going, taking some other route. Then you can ask him, why are you taking this route? Agra route was nearby. Agra ಕಡೆ ದಾರಿ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು means that side road was nearby. Agra ಕಡೆ ದಾರಿ meaning way, ಹತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಹತ್ರ meaning near, ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು meaning it would have become near if you go that side. Auto driver, madam, on that road there is more traffic, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಕೇಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಐ ಕೇಮ್. ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಿ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೋರಮ್ ಮಾಲ್. ಸೊ ಯು ರೀಚ್, ಮೇಡ್ ಯು ರೀಚ್ ಟು ಫೋರಮ್ ಮಾಲ್. ಇದೇ ಫೋರಮ್ ಮಾಲ್, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು. ದೆನ್ ಓಕೆ, meter is showing 210, take 230. So because you agreed to give 20 rupees more than meter, ಸೊ ಸರಿ, ಮೀಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 110 ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 130 ಇದೆ, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಟೋ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಅನದರ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ, the auto driver will not agree to come. So auto driver, are you coming to Majestic? So you are asking auto, Majestic ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? Okay, then auto driver says yes madam, how many people are there? So ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? So how many people are coming in the auto, you ask. So customer says 3 members, 3 ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Then auto driver is asking, give 500 madam, there is a luggage also. ಸರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, 500 ಕೊಡಿ, ಸಾಮಾನು ಕೂಡ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸಾಮಾನು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಲಗೇಜ್. Then customer put meter, we will not give more than meter. ಮೀಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಮೀಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಮೀಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯು ಸೇ ದಟ್. ನೋ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಸೊ he says I am not coming less than 500, you go and ask other person. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಬೇರೆ ಆಟೋ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ you cannot see some other auto, I am not going to come. Then you agree, ಸರಿ ಬನ್ನಿ, 500 ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then you agree and go. ಸರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. You will also agree and you go in that auto. Thank you for watching this video and wait for next video. I am going to send some other conversation and some other learnings in next video. Thank you.